There are homes designed to impress, and then there are homes designed to transform the way you live. This villa opens directly to the ocean breeze, where light, water and space flow together in every moment. As featured in the Architectural Digest under the headline, The Luxury of Simplicity, this project was described as more than white, beautiful villas or magnificent landscapes. What truly captivates is the passion for nature reflected in every single detail.
Estamos en la master suite, esta es la más bonita.
This is one of the main bedrooms. This has an identical one downstairs that we're going to look at. It has over 6,700 square meters of construction, which is 224 meters square construction, and the actual lot it's 12,420 square feet, which would be 1,154 square meters. This is of course the main feature of the house. This is as you walk in, this is what you see. The interesting thing is that it feels very adult when you compare it to the rest of the house. I think like the top of the house, it's for adults. I think this is an ideal village for people who has kids. So this would be the main area. If you keep going straight to the left, you go back to that, and there's also one of the bathrooms. And if you keep going to your left, now that is the master suite. Let me show you. To your left, you have a bathroom, and it has the shower separated from the WC, and also you have an outdoor shower. I love these bathrooms that are kind of open and they have everything. Now check out this view. This space has also a palapa feeling you're gonna see in a minute. And I'm gonna show you also the place we were at before and look at the view. That's part of the house, and this is the main bedroom. Now let's go downstairs. This is an identical room from the main bedroom to your left. And this is the kiddie pool. Now this is very interesting because it has 4 bedrooms. And down here, that's where you can go down to the tram that takes you down to the beach and the restaurant area. I like to start here because this is an open space that you can use as a gathering area as well. I think this is more for teenage children, and one thing that I do love is behind me there's a studio. Let's walk in through here. This is the same space, but this is where you walk in through. So there's a bedroom, and also you will see that's the bedroom, and to my right there's another door that goes into the studio, which we're going to look at as well. So this is the 3rd bedroom. Same, it has the bathroom, and that's the showering area. This will be the studio area, which you can count as another room probably. I love the furniture, and everything comes as is. All the wood is tropical wood, so it's low maintenance. I love this space. You have a little sink in there. That's the bathroom as well, and storage. And also if you keep going through the back, you can go upstairs again. This is the 4th bedroom, which is also, it works as a service room usually. So if you have somebody helping you with the children, they usually stay there. So the list of the amenities, it's the 2 private pools that you have right there, a private gym for the community, a sky lounge as well, community, the beach club with concierge, and beach access by a tram. This is more than a residence, it's a way of living, where most mornings begin with the sound of waves, afternoon flows between terraces and pools, and evenings open up to the horizon. Offered at 2.4 million USD negotiable, this villa is ready for its next chapter. If you can imagine yourself here, let's connect for a private call and explore the possibilities together.